Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Now we are going to start with our questions. Okay, we will write the steps of construction on one side. So I'll be writing steps of construction here. Okay, it is just construction, and here we will be drawing the rough sketch. Okay, and required quadrilateral, I would say. Right, so the required quadrilateral and rough sketch will be drawn on this side, right side, and on the left side we will be writing steps of construction one by one. Right. So first of all, we will see what is given to us. We have to draw a quadrilateral ABCD. AB is 4.5, BC is 5.5, CD is 4 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter, and AC is 7 centimeter. We are given with the 4 sides and one diagonal. So yes, a quadrilateral is possible, and what we have learned, whenever 4 sides and one diagonal is given, how to find out the quadrilateral, how to actually construct the quadrilateral. So just see, let us draw first a rough sketch. Always everybody of you has to draw a rough sketch of the quadrilateral. So we are going to draw the quadrilateral. First of all, just see A, B, C, D. You are going to form A, B, C, D. A rough sketch I am drawing out, and the diagonal is AC, and it is 7 centimeter. Okay, AB is how much? 4.5 centimeter. BC is how much? 5.5. Satisfy triangle sum property from here. The sum of two sides should always be greater than the third side. So 7 and 4.5 is 11.5. It is greater than 5.5. 4.5 and 5.5 is 10. Yes, greater than 7. 7 and 5 is 12. 12.5 is greater than 4.5. So yes, it is possible to draw. The next CD is given as 4 centimeter and DA or AD is given as 6 centimeter. So does it satisfy also this side also the triangle inequality? Yes, 6 plus 4 is 10, greater than 7. 7 and 4 is 11, greater than 6. 6 and 7, 13, greater than 4. So second triangle can also be easily drawn. Right. So first step that we are going to do is we'll draw our line segment of 7 centimeter, that is the diagonal. So the first step of construction will be draw AC equal to 7 centimeter. So we will draw AC equal to 7 centimeter. Let us draw it here. Let this be AC and it is 7 centimeter. Clear? What is the next step then? The next step is from point A. Just see, now we are left with 2 points B and D. One will lie on either side, right? Another will also lie on either side. So let us suppose, or let us take on any side we are going to form the arc. So let us take the top side. First of all, we will draw the triangle ABC. So from point A to B point. B is how much distance away from point A? 4.5 centimeter. So from point A, keeping point A as the center, we will draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter using your compass and your scale. Right, both the things you are going to use, and you will make an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So what is the second step that we will make? Take a, or you can write just A as a center, or you can just write take A as a center, draw an arc of how much centimeter? 4.5 centimeter. Clear? This will be the second step of construction. So from point A, you will draw an arc of 4.5. It will be somewhere like this. Clear? Now what will be the next third step? The third step will be now from point C. C and B is given. It is 5.5 centimeter. So now we will do what? Taking which point as a center, students? Point C. Taking C as a center. This is the third step. Taking C as a center, draw an arc of radius. How much centimeter? 5.5 centimeter. Okay. Which cuts the previous arc. Which cuts the previous arc. So when we will draw the arc from point C, it will cut this arc, and let us name that point as B. Previous arc at point B. Clear? So what we are going to do, from point C, opening the compass of 5.5 centimeter, we will make an arc like this. Clear? Now we will join A to C, okay, and let us name this point as B, and A to B we will join, and B to C also we will join. Clear? Like this. Okay, now the triangle is formed. Let us write the measurement: 4.5 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter. Now what we need to do, we need to get the point D now. So what we will write the step of construction, the next one is, we will write the fourth step. What is the center? A as the center. A as the center. A as the center. What arc we will draw? We will draw an arc of from A to D. The distance is 6 centimeter. So from point A we will draw an arc. We will write draw an arc of 7 centimeter. Right? From A to D we have 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter we will write. So let us take an arc of 6 centimeter. So we will open the compass of 6 centimeter, and from point A we will make an arc. It will be like this. Then what we will do after it? We will write the next step, that is the fifth step. That will be what? The next point is from point C. Now we will make an arc of 7 centimeter. So now from C, draw an arc of, so it will be of how much centimeter? 7 centimeter. Now of 7 centimeter. So draw from point C an arc of 7 centimeter. It will cut like this. Now this point is D. Okay, now you will join A to D and C to D. So what will be the last step of construction that we have? That join all the points and complete the quadrilateral. So at last you can just write A, B, C, D is the required quadrilateral. Or before this you can also write join all points. Clear? So what I am trying to tell you is, when you draw or construct a figure, you have to write the steps of construction in your own language, as simple as it can be, right? And try to make them short, right? And these are important to write. You get marks for these, right? Let us try one more question. So let us discuss the next question. Here we have to draw a quadrilateral jump. JU, UM, MP, PJ are given, and one of the diagonal is given. So yes, we can draw a quadrilateral. So here we will write steps of construction, and this side we will write, we will form the figure. That means the rough sketch and required quadrilateral. Okay, so let us draw the rough sketch first. So to draw the rough sketch, just see what we need to do. Jump, a quadrilateral we need to form. So let us see that this is a quadrilateral JUMP. Let's write the measurement. JU is 3.5 centimeter. So I'm just writing 3.5 centimeter here. UM is 4 centimeter. Then MP is 5 centimeter. And then PJ is given as 4.5 centimeter. And we have been given PU also. PU is this one, that means the diagonal. It is 6.5 centimeter. So just try to check the triangle inequality in both the triangles, whether it is possible or not. So we see that 4 plus 3 is 7, 0.5 makes it 8. So 8 is greater than 6.5. Then sum of 4.5 and 6.5 is greater than 3.5. Sum of 6.5 and 3.5 is greater than. Length of diagonal is also greater than the side length. The next thing also, in the next this one PMU, this also the triangle inequality is satisfied, right? You can just see 5 plus 4 is 9, that is greater than 6.5. Then 5 plus 6, that is 11.5. 5 plus 6.5, and that is greater than 4. Then 4 and 6.5, that is 10.5, greater than 5. So yes, triangle inequality is satisfied. So we can draw it. Let's start drawing it. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to draw the diagonal, and the diagonal is PU here of 6.5 centimeter. So let us take a scale, and with the help of scale, draw a line segment of PU, that is 6.5 centimeter. So from here we will take PU, and it is to be 6.5 centimeter. You have to draw it properly in your notebooks. I'm just giving you an idea how to draw it. Now what we need to do, so first step of construction will be draw a line segment of, or you can just write draw a line segment, name the line segment PU equal to 6.5 centimeter, right? After this, the next step that we are going to do, keep taking P as the center. Okay, now we are left with the point, we got P and U, we are left with J and M. Okay, so J will lie on another side, on any one side of it. So the quadrilateral is J, U, M, P, right? So J, U, M and P will be, so J will lie on the top, suppose. So first of all, we need to look for PJ. How much is PJ? 4.5. So by keeping P as the center, you will draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So from point P, open the compass of 4.5 centimeter, keep P as the center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Then let us try with UJ or JU. Is it given? Yes, it is given as 3.5. So keeping this as the center, you will draw another arc of 3.5 centimeter from point U. So this will be point J. The intersection of these two will give us point J, because J is how much distance away? 4.5 centimeter away from point P. That's why 4.5 centimeter arc we have drawn. And from point U, J is 3.5 centimeter away. So you are now going to join PJ and UJ like this. Clear? So it will be straight lines. So like this, a triangle would be formed. Okay, after drawing the triangle, what you can do is you have to write these steps as in the construction. So you will write taking what you have taken the center as P and U. P and U as the center. Okay, how much measurement we have taken? We have taken the measurement for PJ as 4.5 centimeter and UJ is given as 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so these are the measurements. So we have drawn two arcs. Draw arcs of length 4.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter which cuts at point J. In the bracket you can write it respectively. Why we are writing this word respectively? So that we know that from point we have drawn the arc of 4.5, from U we have drawn the arc of 3.5 centimeter. Now the next step will be what? From point P and U we have to now get the point M. So we will focus on UM and PM, that is MP here 5 centimeter. So from point P we will make an arc of 5 centimeter, keeping P as the center, draw an arc of 5 centimeter and keeping U as the center, draw an arc of 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter will be somewhere here. Now this is point M. So we will join P to M, right, and U to M. Clear? So they will be joined. This is a required quadrilateral. So what is the next step? Now you will write taking P and U as center, draw arcs of PM is how much? Just see 5 centimeter and UM is 4 centimeter. Draw arcs of 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. Okay, so they are cutting at which point? M. Cuts at point M. Now after getting the point M, we will join PM and UM. Now fourth point will be join all points. That's all we have done. And what is the required quadrilateral? Jump is the required quadrilateral that we have got. So it depends on you how you write the steps of construction. Like I have included the two arcs in the one step. You can form the separate steps also. You can just write from point P draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. The next step can be from point U draw an arc of 3.5 centimeter. And the next point is the two arcs cut at point J, join P to J and U to J. So triangle PUJ is constructed like this. You can write your own step in your own language. Clear? Let's move to the next question now. Here is the next question, and one thing that is different here is instead of the word quadrilateral, here parallelogram is written. So parallelogram, we know opposite sides are going to be equal, and we are given with 3 measurements. So if I draw the parallelogram more, suppose I draw these 4 sides M, O, R, E, and we have been given OE also. So let us join this OE or EO, we say. It is given as 7.5. OR is given to us, that is 6 centimeter, and RE is given to us, that is 4.5 centimeter. What about these two measurements? Because it's a parallelogram, students, the opposite sides are going to be equal. This will be 6 centimeter, this will be 4.5 centimeter. That means when they mention it that it's a parallelogram, just these 3 measurements are enough for us to draw the quadrilateral, the special quadrilateral, which is a parallelogram. So here we have drawn the rough sketch, and we will draw the complete figure here, and we will write here the steps of construction. Now I think you can form your own steps of construction, right? So the first step, that is we are going to draw the diagonal, that is 7.5 centimeter. So you will write draw EO equal to 7.5 centimeter. So you'll take your scale, draw EO of 7.5 centimeter. You are going to draw this line segment using your scale. Then after it, what you are going to do, from point E, just to see EO you have, now you are missing this point M and R. So R and M can line anywhere. The formation is MORE. So MORE, M will lie on the top, or it can like this down also. So let us suppose that it is lying on the top. So we will first construct one triangle. So we are going to construct the triangle EMO. Okay, so the point M we have to get. M is at the intersection of 6 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. So from point E, we will take 6 centimeter opening of compass, and keeping E as the center, we will draw an arc of 6 centimeter like this. Now from point O, we will open the compass of 4.5 centimeter and make an arc like this. Clear? This will be our point M, and we are going to join E to M and this M to O, right? So this is 6 centimeter, this is 4.5 centimeter. So let us write this step. So we will write taking E and O as center, draw arcs. We have drawn 2 arcs of, from E point it is 6 centimeter, and from point O it is 4 centimeter. So it is point O, okay, 4 centimeter respectively, which cuts at point, which point they are cutting? Yes, they are cutting at point M. Clear? So now you can also write in this also, join E, M and O. Right, the triangle is formed. The next step, what we are going to do, from point E and O, now we want the point R. So you see R is how much centimeter away? 4.5 centimeter away from E. So from E, you make an arc of 4.5 centimeter by opening the compass of 4.5 centimeter. So take E as the center, keep the pointer end at point E, and draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. And from point O, R point is 6 centimeter away, so you will take an arc of 6 centimeter like this, and this will be your point R. You're going to join E to R, and you're going to join this point also. So this is 6 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. Clear? So what will be the next step? From point E and O, you have to draw arcs of 4.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Okay, and they are cutting at which point? Cutting at R. So you will just write join E, R and O. When you join this, the complete quadrilateral is formed. So in the fourth step, you can write MORE, more is the required quadrilateral. So this is the required quadrilateral. Clear? So just see, steps of construction are all written and the quadrilateral is also formed. So I'm not drawing up the straight lines and the exact arcs. You can use your scale and compass to draw these arcs and learn how to construct a quadrilateral. Let us discuss one more question based on the same concept so that we have a good practice of it. So here is the next question. A rhombus they have mentioned, and we know in rhombus all the sides are equal. Yes. So we have to draw the rhombus best, and one side and one diagonal is given. If one side is given, that means all the four sides are given, because all four sides in a rhombus are of equal measurement. Right? So just to see here what we will do. If I try to draw the rough sketch, so suppose this is best, BEST, just a rough sketch it is, and ET is 6 centimeter. Okay, if one side is 4.5, yes, all the other sides are going to be 4.5. So let's draw the exact figure. So first step, we have to draw the diagonal. You will write draw a line segment ET of 6 centimeter. So let us draw ET, and it is to be of 6 centimeter. Then what we are going to do now, let us concentrate on the point B, or let us concentrate on point S. Just the S point is 4.5 centimeter away from both the points T and E. It is 4.5. So from E and T we will open compass of 4.5 centimeter, taking once E as the center and another time T as the center. We will draw arcs of 4.5 centimeter from both the points. It will cut at point S. Similarly, you are going to join E and S, okay, and you join S to T also. 4.5 centimeter you write, 4.5 centimeter you write. So let us write the second step of construction, that is draw arcs of 4.5 centimeter from both points E and T. Okay, cutting each other at which point? At point S. So join point S, E and T. So your triangle is formed. The next step, from E and T, again we see that B is 4.5 centimeter away. So we are going to draw 4.5 centimeter. How? We will make the first arcs of 4.5 centimeter, first from point E and first another from point T. So 4.5 and 4.5. So we are going to join these points. So this will be meeting somewhere here, and this is our point B. So 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. So the same step you are going to write. So draw arcs of 4.5 centimeter from point E and T on the other side of point S. On the other side of point S, right? And cutting each other at which point? Cutting each other at point, at which point? B point. Then you are going to join E, T and B. All 3 points are joined. Now what you are going to do in the fourth step, you are going to write BEST is the required quadrilateral, right? It is a required quadrilateral. So we have written the steps of construction, as well as we have written we have drawn the figures also, the rough sketch as well as the final figure. So this is how you're going to attempt the questions whenever one diagonal and 4 sides are given. This is the procedure to draw a quadrilateral. I hope the construction of quadrilateral using 4 sides and 1 diagonal is clear to you. Now in the next video I will come up with some other condition where some angles or sides would be given, or another diagonals or 3 sides would be given, right? So the condition will be shown to you, and that's going to be really interesting how to draw, right? So you can try these questions in your notebooks independently. Just have a look on the video once and then you can try them in your notebook to have a good practice of it, right? So thank you so much for listening carefully, and stay tuned for more videos for the upcoming videos. Thank you.